Yo, man, what's going on, everybody? I know y'all seen it. We had another crazy shock drop today, and I'm actually enjoying the shock drops, the way they're kind of doing it now from Nike. We gotta talk about in today's video, man. Let's get right into it. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into another video from your boy, The Vintage. It is always greatly appreciated. If you guys watched yesterday's video, you guys know I put you guys on to the shock drop over the Air Jordan 4 red cements, or whatever they call them. I know they're gonna change the name up. I even seen Heritage on the shock drop today when you scroll down a little bit. See if I get a screenshot, but I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys seen that as well. But these red cement Air Jordan 4s just shock drop, and it was like 189 some thousand pairs. We're gonna talk about, like I said, go ahead and subscribe right now to the channel. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we drop. And like I said, man, every time there's a shock drop, a restock, an exclusive access, any of that good stuff, I try my best to hop up on YouTube, tell you guys about it. If not, I always tell you guys, man, go follow my Twitter ASAP, or it's called X now. That joint keep looking like StockX. Every time I get a notification, I think it's like a StockX notification, and I sometimes don't even click on it, so I gotta get used to this whole new little X Twitter, or whatever the hell Elon Musk got going on. All right, guys, like I said, man, 189,000 pairs for these Air Jordan 4s that just shock dropped today. And it was a bunch of GS Tyler's, and I think it was another, what's the other size? And, you know, some more, you know, stock in those sizes as well, which is kind of surprising. Like, you don't ever see that large stock for Air Jordan 4 on a shock drop. You might see it for Air Jordan 1, you know, like we seen with the UNC toes. It was like 180 some thousand pairs that shock dropped for UNC toes. But that's because it was a huge release. So that kind of tells me one or two things, man. One, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna be a lot of pairs of these Air Jordan 4 red cement, heritage reds, whatever they call them. Or two, you know what I'm saying, they put more sneakers on this stock or for this shock drop, and they're gonna take away from the actual drop date, because, you know, it's all about the numbers. It's all about how hyped the sneaker is. It's all about how many people are actually interested in the sneaker. So it's always smart from Nike's perspective to shock drop a bunch of pairs in the front end, and then have people that take L's a day kind of anticipating to cop them on the release date. They did shock drop a whole month before the drop. In the release like September the 3rd or September the 4th or something like that. A whole month early shock drop. A lot of people are going to be getting their pairs this upcoming week or two. You know what I'm saying? I want to definitely see how they hitting. Like, I hope that the quality, leather quality is super nice, super tumble. I'm going to try to get a pair. It's been very weird lately. Maybe I just ain't been looking into buying no early sneakers. But I don't see no red cements floating around on the market. But hopefully, it's like a secure pair. Bring them up on the channel, break them down a little bit early, just so you guys can tap into them and see if you actually do like these joints that's about to be dropping next month. And I can't believe I got this far in the video without asking you guys, man, who hit on these Air Jordan 4 red cements today. I'm very interested in knowing. A lot of people say they resemble the Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds, which we're gonna grab real quick. All right, so here we have them right here, man. Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds, a beautiful, beautiful sneaker, man. I love these joints. And I can't believe I don't know if you guys remember the vlog I did. I caught like 3 pairs of these, but just, you know, grab them out the drop from, make me, one, want to wear them again, and two, make me regret not keeping my double up of the Fire Reds. So I might, you know, say hit up StockX real quick and snag another pair. And if you got a size 9, 8.5, 9.5, hit your boy up, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully I can get it for that retail therapy from y'all, which I doubt. But if you want to sell a pair for retail, I'll definitely take them from you. Like I said, the red cements do definitely resemble the Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds. A lot of people said they didn't want them. A lot of people said they trash. A lot of mixed feelings, a lot of mixed emotions in yesterday's video. So I want to know all you guys' thoughts, opinions about these red cements right now down below in the comment section, man. I would like to see, you know what I'm saying, a couple more shock drops. I know it's going to be more. And the one I just keep thinking about, I know it's going to happen here shortly, the Air Jordan 12 Cherries. Now that sneaker, we've been waiting on that thing for so long, and I know Nike got something crazy to do. I hope they do it like the UNC toes, where they give us a shock drop, give us EA, give us a sneakers pass, and then give us a bunch more pairs on the drop day, because that's gonna be another pair this year that I double up on, might even triple up, because bruh, some about them cherries, some about them taxis, some about them flu games that I just can't get enough of, you feel me? So definitely cannot wait for Nike to unveil what they're gonna do with them cherry things. I wanna see what they're gonna do with the box. I wanna see if they're gonna keep everything OG out. I don't know. I'm very interested. I'm very excited for that drop. If you guys are, man, go ahead and drop some cherry and some fire emojis down below in the comment section. So yeah, man, like I said, go ahead, follow my Twitter, link down below. Hit me up on Instagram as well. Go see, you know, check out what couple fits your boy been putting together, and sub up right now. Hit the notification bell so you miss out on any content like this. I try my best to do these recaps, try my best to put you guys onto these shot drops. Takes time, so I'm saying go ahead, hit that like button for your boy The Vintage. Just want to come up on here, you know, chop it up with you guys, see who all got them bottoms down below in the comment section. Hopefully it's a lot of people in the Vintage Squad that did hit. Let me know if you passed, let me know if you think they trash. Let me know all that stuff down below in the comment section, man. Appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping in. With all this being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.